So this video is about changing a track rod end on a Honda Stepwgn, sometimes called the tie rod end. But yep, basically from the steering arm across to the hub. So first thing to do is obviously get out the replacement part that you've got and check that you're happy that it actually matches and looks dimensionally correct before you start taking anything apart, of course. This wasn't a genuine Honda one, this was just a blueprint part. Then you need to take the little pin out that obviously holds the castle nut. With that out, you then use a 19mm wrench and undo the end from the shaft, and then it's handily enough another 19mm bolt, not bolt, nut on the end of the hub end.
Don't take it out.
Okay. So yep, undo both of those, and then really the hard bit comes up next, which is to actually break them apart from each other. So we use like a hub puller, got it either side of the hub, and then you just wind it until it cracks it off, but you could use probably a big crowbar or something to get between them. And then once it's undone, you want to count how many times you rotated the track rod end.
16, 17, 18.
So yeah, wind the new one back on the same amount of times that you took the old one off. Then really the easy part is putting it back together. You're going to obviously put the end back through the hole in the hub, and then tighten up the castle nut on the bottom and put the pin back through. Display the end. This seemed to be quite a long pin, so it's quite a lot to bend around the nut, but yeah, put it on, tighten it up, split the pin, and then go to the rod end, the actual track rod end, and tighten up the 19mm nut on the end of it, and that's pretty much all there is to it, really. So yeah, you can see the old ones are pretty shot. There's basically the oil was coming out of it. That's why you needed replacing. Anyway, I hope this video is useful. It's not a particularly hard job, so yeah, worth giving a go if you can.